So while our parent-to-child linking is great for most inventory situations, there are some scenarios that it's either too complex to handle or it's impossible to set up. If you purchase a product like beer in a case of 24 and you sell it by that case, but you also sell it by the half case of 6, and you also sell it by the 6-pack, and you also sell it by the single, you can set up each of these items today with the parent being the case and the 12-pack being the parent to the 6-pack and the 6-pack being the parent to the single, and effectively you have a case that's a great grandparent to the single, and it gets complicated pretty quickly. So to help with this and to open up other linking options, we now allow you to create a link relationship where one parent can have multiple children. And setting this up is a breeze. Let's take a look how. So from Control Center, we'll navigate to Products, and then we'll go to our parent product. In this case, it's going to be our case of beer. From here, under the Parent-Child Link information, we're going to choose the new Multi-Child tab. Now we can define each child that's going to live underneath this parent. Once there, we'll add each item we want to be a child to the parent item. So here we've added our 12-pack with a quantity of 2, our 6-pack with a quantity of 4, and our single with a quantity of 24. Each of these items is an independent child to the parent, and the breakdowns will occur as normal. If you don't see the multi-child option in your details, make sure that Enable Multi-Child Support is checked True under Products General Settings. That's this Fast Track's fact.